Hi, this is Ken Renner, real estate broker here in Liberty Hill, and I'm here with Gabby Jacobs of Brohn Homes, and we want to introduce you to our brand new home buying class. It's called Home Buying Crash Course. It's a class I've been putting on for the last 30 years here around Austin, and it teaches people how to buy their first home or their next home. And so the course is 45 minutes long. We're going to be having it right here in the Cascade model and with Brohn Homes here in Liberty Hill. So tell me what's going on with Cascade. It's just opening up. Let's hear about it.
Cascade is brand new. We are just so happy to be able to bring our beautiful product here to Liberty Hill. The most exciting part about it is that we literally have pre-COVID pricing here.
Yes.
We're starting homes off in the 250,000s, which is just unheard of right now. Absolutely. Especially in Liberty Hill with one of the best school districts in Austin area. We offer 14 different plans that you can choose from. They're going to range anywhere from 3 bedrooms up to 6 bedrooms, and again, in varying price points. So kind of whatever you need, whatever your family is looking for, we have it here, and we have it at affordable pricing. So we're really, really excited to be able to provide this. And it's an absolutely stunning community. We are really nice and kind of hidden off of 183, so it feels like you're secluded and really like in the little farm space, but you're 10 minutes to everything.
Yeah, so 10 minutes to the new Costco and the brand new Super Target right off the 183
biggest Target road in the world.
It's absolutely it's going to be huge. And both they're right next to each other, and they're only about 10 minutes from here. You got HEB that's 12 minutes. The high school is only 12 minutes away. So in Liberty Hill High School, that's a big deal. So if your kids are in Liberty Hill or you want to go to these highly rated school districts, you got to check this out, this Brohn Homes. So anyways, what you're going to get at the class is more than just me teaching. We're going to give you plenty of gifts. First of all, we want to make sure this is what your goal is. There's nothing like waking up the first day in your own brand new home. I bought my first home in 1983. I can tell you it never gets old. And I've helped thousands of people through this process. And so we're going to help you through this process. Also, we're going to give you a calendar because you're going to mark the date. We're going to put on here when you're actually going to be moving in. That's going to be an exciting thing. We can't wait to help you walk through the process of buying a home. This is the book that I wrote based on this class. It's called Home Buying Secrets Revealed, and you'll get a copy of this. This is my home buying toolbox. You'll walk away with this. And this has 160 secrets on how to put you in the best position to purchase to get the best deal on a home right here. We are in a buyer's market, right? Yes. It's been the first time in 13 years that we are in a buyer's market. It's your turn to have control over your destiny, over your financial destiny. So we're going to teach you how to do that. I always think it's important to make buying a home a goal. So I wrote a book on goal setting. So if you're interested in learning how to set goals and make your dreams come true, this is for you.
Seriously, Ken, we're able to come to a class with a person who wrote the books on buying a home. That is absolutely fantastic.
Yeah,
I can't wait for this class, y'all.
So one of the things also we have on the list is we have a needs and wants list, because it's not about me, it's about you. What are your needs and wants? And so this is one of our tools that we use to define what's most important to you, your needs and your wants. And then also we have a virtual buffet of homes that Gabby has out here. And this is you'll be able to tour some of these homes if you'd like. They're just getting started out here. It's the best place to be in a master plan community. Absolutely. Is at the very beginning, because prices go up from here. They're definitely not going to be going down. No, we also, and there's more, but wait, there's $1 million. We're going to give you $1 million. Well, it's not quite $1 million, but it looks like $1 million. But we are going to give an opportunity to get pre-approved for whatever dollar amount that you need right now. And there's 0 total move-in, 0 down you can get with Brohn Homes and their financing. So we've got that. We've got your pre-approval opportunity. And then when we get out looking at homes, we're going to want to, I've got a little notebook here with a pen so you can keep track of all the homes that you're looking at, as well as a highlighter. We love highlighters. In fact, I'm going to keep this one for me. The highlighter, so you can make notes and highlight the really cool stuff that you find out there on the road that we'll be showing you. We got mints just in case you're needing some of those. I also have a stress ball. It can be a little stressful. Brohn has been so nice to supply a stress ball it can be a little stressful buying homes.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. So next thing is we don't want you to get too tired. So we're going to you got your trail mix and your protein bar.
I'll take this one. Thank you.
You got it. Got it.
This is mine.
And this is what we really want is to have a Starbucks coffee. We're going to give you a gift card so that we can have a cup of coffee with you. And talk about your needs and your wants and your goals and your dreams. And so, so that's it. Oh yeah, can't forget, especially in summertime, got to keep hydrated. So we got all the tools here that you need. And then also, when you move into the house, we want to make sure that you pop the popcorn the first movie night. And thanks, compliments of us here at Brohn Homes and independent broker Ken Renner from Renner Realty. And for the kiddos, anybody needs a Brohn bear, this is for you. It's always good to go ahead and pick. We have the kids pick their rooms out, right?
Yes, we have them pick their rooms, and then they place the brownie.
They put the brown bear right there. So, well, it was so nice. I'm looking forward to meeting you, and it's going to be January 31st, 11 a.m. here at the Brohn Cascade Model in Liberty Hill. So I will see you soon, and can't wait to get you the keys.
I hope we find those.
All right, we'll see you on January 31st.